Okay, this is a video on how to find out where either pack rats or mice chewed through some wiring under the back seat of my 2009 Subaru Impreza. So the first step, I've already removed the seat, but to do that was simply to get a screwdriver in underneath the seat and pull this little D-ring forward that loosened the seat that went into there. So there's one on this side and one over there as well, and the one in the middle that just popped up. So the next step was to remove these two hatches that were held on with 4 screws, which I've already removed. So I take that off, and you can see how the little guys have chewed at the foam. And then this is probably why my gas gauge does not work anymore. And then over on the other side, the same thing with 4 screws. That lifts out of the way, the foam's eaten, and you can see that at some point they had a tidy little nest in there. So I discovered why the gas gauge is not working, but my cruise control and traction light are on constantly, so that's the next thing I'm going to try and find. So obviously to put it back together is just the reverse of what I've done. Thanks.